Go live na tayo. 2 minutes pa lang naman eh. Ayan. And broadcast. Are we live? Tanungin natin yung audience. Ayan. Hey, we're live. Ayan, nakikita ko na yung yung timer. We're live. So, good afternoon, everybody. Thanks for joining in our first ever info session on everything to know about Google Cloud certifications. Ayan. So, my name is Brian. Teka lang, ha? So, kailangan natin na i-move yung slide. Ay, teka, naka-mute ba tayo? Wait lang ha, may technical difficulty. Oops. Ayan. So, kailangan lang natin set up tong slides. Sorry. Wala si slides. Ayan. So, bumagal siya. Ayan, no? Thanks for tuning in. Ayan. Good afternoon, everybody. Ayan. Let me just set up the nawala yung focus eh. Ayan. Bumalik na ba? Anyway, so my name is Brian Tan Seng, and I am a GDG Cloud Manila organizer. Together with Jasmine Calma and Harvey J. Season. So we're helping the community with everything related to cloud technologies for yung Google Cloud platform. So we're happy to be to have two distinguished guests this afternoon. So we have Mr. Sermil Matoto. Yan. Palakpakan. Yay. And of course, Mr. Aaron Victorino. So yan. Dalawa silang super certified. Marami tayong makukuhang mga tips or information about certifications in general, and paano ba yung naging journey, ano ba yung value ng mga certification sa professional life, syempre rin sa personally, how do you look at certifications. So for nag-move yung slide. Sorry. Medyo mabagal. Previous slide. Click. So sa Sermil, bakit nag-next slide to? Ayan. Ba't gumagalaw ng differently? May gumagamit ba? Anyway, nakikigamit kasi kami ng StreamYard eh. So so si Sermil, he works at Colab. He's a chief engineer and he's certified in the following. Ayan mahaba listahan to. Professional Google Workspace Administrator, Associate Cloud Engineer. Ito, yung mga professional. Cloud Architect, Cloud DevOps Engineer, Cloud Security Engineer, Cloud Developer, Cloud Digital Leader, Professional Data Engineer, Cloud Network Engineer, Cloud Database Engineer, and he is also a Google Cloud Champion, yan, innovator for databases. So kung if you have questions, chat lang. So, babasahin natin and we can collect and answer them at the end. Ayan. Si Aaron, parang security expert din natin. Teka lang. Hindi na lumalabas yung slides. Weird. Ayan. For Aaron naman, he currently works as a GCP Cloud Architect and security lead. Yan. He's certified in the following: Cloud Digital Leader, Associate Cloud Engineer, Professional Cloud Security Engineer, Professional Cloud Network Engineer, and Professional Cloud Architect. So, yan. So, thank you for joining us, Sir Mil and Aaron. Yan. Mamaya, kakausapin natin sila. Yan. Pero andito lang naman sila sa presentation. So para kung may mga inputs. So GDG, quick introduction para lang sa mga hindi familiar or mga first time maka-encounter nung GDG. GDG are community-led groups of developers who are interested in mga Google technology. So we host virtual, in-person meetups. Siyempre, during pandemic, bawas tayo ng mga personal, in-person meetups, pero may mga online meetups tayo and events like this one. So big and small, may malalaki tayong conferences, may mga if you have joined before, so yan, shout out lang. So thank you for being there, for being part of the community. So in particular, GDG Cloud Manila, nag-skip yung slide. In particular, kami yung GDG Cloud Manila. Tayo yung chapter for mga Google Cloud Platform. Yan yung specialization natin. So maraming chapters all over the Philippines. So usually city chapters yan. Tapos, pero tayo yung nag-iisang chapter na focus sa cloud. Sige. So, without further ado, ito yung natin, yung agenda natin. May lag ba yata? Ayan. For today's discussion, we'll talk about quickly what's the demand for cloud computing roles. Tapos, back tayo ng slide. Wow, may lag. Ayan. Why certify? What's the benefits? Yan. Tapos kukuha tayo ng inputs sa ating distinguished guests. Kung may benefit ba talaga? Totoo ba yan? Diba? Hindi lang ba to joke? May may mararamdaman mo ba yung benefit kapag nagpa-certify? Yung isa is Google Cloud Certification and exams. We can go through it quickly. And then, of course, yung community support. We're here to help everybody learn with their learning journey. And what are the yung programs in store for our certification program. So yan, marami tayong meron tayong mga parang sorpresa mamaya about sa certifications. Sige. Kailangan pala magsanay ako maging streamer kasi challenging din pala mag-operate at saka mag-stream lang sabay. Operate. Click dito. So dito sa cloud adoption, cloud skills, konting background, cloud skills continue to be in high demand. Totoo ba yan? So sabi dito, the increase in cloud adoption has resulted in corresponding increase in the need for workers skilled in cloud technologies. So in general, yung cloud, tumataas yung adoption. So employer demand para sa mga kabuhayan, employer demand for cloud computing roles including infrastructure, security, architecture, engineering rose almost 33% in the last 3 years. Yan, konting statistics from Indeed. So yan? Yung Indeed, yan? Mga job portal. So may mga statistics tayo na nakuha dyan. So tumataas yung demand. So kung gusto mong maging strategic sa this 2023, consider mga cloud skills. So yan. Next is Google Cloud skill is one of the is seeing the fastest uh, growing demand. So yan. So tumataas as cloud adoption continues to grow. Overall, hindi lang naman hindi lang Google Cloud. Siyempre andyan yung AWS, andyan yung Azure. But Google Cloud training parang has seen 6 times growth in learners year on year. Medyo dumadami, malaki yung 6 times. The rise of multi-cloud environments has impacted demand for GCP. So no workload and no business requirement is the same. A one-size-fits-all answer will not work. Customers want the best in class for everything and end up choosing more than one cloud provider. Yan. Diyan naman tayo eh. 'Di ba? Parang pick and choose tayo kung ano yung maganda, doon tayo. So, ang strategy, multi-cloud. Pili ka ng maganda dito, pili ka ng maganda diyan. But of course, technological advantages of Google Cloud is being realized in the marketplace with industrial strength ML and AI offerings, a secure, trusted infrastructure, serverless, open source, Kubernetes, and TensorFlow, the power behind networking and security, Google Cloud is really and ready for today's IT landscape. So magandang choice pa rin naman ng Google Cloud. Maganda rin naman yung ibang services, pero marami rin magaganda dito. Kaya very interesting na pumondo tayo dyan. Next slide. Operate tayo ng slides. Ooh. Next slide, please. Kausap ko yung sarili. Ayan. So, cloud technology requires, ayusin natin ang notes na. So, how do you build, di ba, skills to get most out of these technologies? We have to take a new approach. Being equipped with the right skills can make or break the journey towards the cloud. Traditionally, IT training has been largely centered around one piece of technology. But cloud technology requires a new way of learning. It's no longer just about learning and operating technology. It requires a change in mindset. Cloud training, Google Cloud training helps you understand the use of technology within a job function to build cloud solutions that drive cross-functional success. Yan. Makikita natin yan mamaya kasi yung cloud certifications, parang group siya by function eh. May specialization siya. So we have role-based learning to help your team thrive in the cloud-first world. Help them move from maintainers to strategists, innovators, and disruptions. Lapit na tayo, guys. Kakausapin na natin si May mga inputs pa tayo dyan, Sir Mil. Feel free, at saka si Aaron. Feel free to chime in. Tayo? Relax lang tayo dito. So, benefits. Why certify? Bakit tayo magpapa-certify? Next slide. May lag din. So, why certify? Ano yung benefits? Yan, tatanungin din natin yung mga expert guests natin. May ROI ba? Yan. Ano yung return on investment? Yan. Mabigat din kasi pag magpapa-certify ka, you will invest time and may money rin, may bayad yung certification. So, proficiency and role-based certification gives you a benchmark for success. Yan, nasabi dito sa slide. But, in this new paradigm of work, employers need tools and a new framework to define, track, and measure success to know what's working. So basically, parang tool itong certification to help employers din to parang to navigate kung sino ba yung may hawak ng knowledge, 'di ba? So it's just one tool. It's only by having that assessment framework and insight that they can ensure that their talent is positioned to be successful. So hiring managers are increasingly tuning to certifications as a way of gaining that insight. Google Cloud Certification brings a framework to help employers benchmark successful candidates. Totoo ba yan, di ba? Pag nag-hire ba kayo, tinitignan natin ang certification. Siyempre, mga lead, nag-i-interview ba kayo ng candidates, Sir Mil, Aaron? Tatanungin natin mamaya. Yan. So, ayan, feel free to chime in kapag may inputs din kayo. Totoo ba? Pag nag-i-interview kayo ng applicants, tinitingnan nyo, certified. Ito, hindi certified.
Yes, Sir Bray. Bali, ano siya, as working on a Google Cloud Premium partner, no, very important sa amin yung candidates will be Google Cloud certified. So yun yung una-una namin tinitignan.
Okay, nice, 'di ba? So, totoo pala. So, hindi lang siya nakasulat dito sa slides ko. So, totoo naman na
Yes, sir.
may value yung may, may value yung certification. Ako naman as a learner, parang okay rin eh. May natamaan na din ako parang level of success. Ayan. So, sige.
Yeah.
Mamaya kakausapin pa
If
natin.
I may add, sir.
Ayan, sige,
Yeah.
sir,
So,
please.
yeah. If I may add, kasi for me, it has three, yung value niya. So when it comes to me personally, so it helps me develop skills and also for me to have something verifiable that I can present to, let's say you're out in the market looking for a job, you have something to present to recruiters or companies that you're trying to apply for. When it comes to the business naman, same as Aaron, I'm working for a Google Cloud partner. So if you're a partner with Google, you will have to comply with certain requirements din kasi. So to maintain or to get a certain status like a specialization. Yun yung magiging value for the company. But when you're done naman, let's say you're the client or the consumer or you're the one looking for the services of implementation partner, ang value sa'yo ng certification normally is you will gain confidence knowing that you're engaging with individuals, with companies that know what they're doing with the stack, with the technology.
Yan. Cool. Thank you sa input, Sir Mil and Aaron. And verifying yung mga points natin. Moving on, ito, parang more info and more statistics. In a recent survey of Google Cloud certified individuals, ayan, for the individuals naman, conducted by an independent third party, we heard some incredible pieces of feedback from the market on how Google Cloud certifications have enabled and boosted skills for many different roles within the cloud industry. So dito may 78% of respondents said words like confidence, presence, professionalism, recognition, when talking about their future opportunities about certifying with one of the Google Cloud certification. Parang, di ba? Parang 78%, medyo may confidence, di ba? May parang, recognition. Parang, ganyan. Mamaya, kukwento ko rin yung sarili kong journey. Kaka-certify ko rin ng yung cloud architect. So may konting boost of confidence, of course. 82% of respondents felt proud to have a proof point about their skills and ability when working with recruiters and job placement consultants. Then 83% of respondents told us that they felt more marketable, more attractive to companies, and overall much more confident in their abilities to stand out from others applying for similar roles. And finally, 85% of respondents just had a boost of confidence. They both wanted and needed to really get themselves out there and getting the opportunities they desired. Ayan. So, yung confidence minsan, kala mo, teka, kaya ko ba to? Ang complex-complex, ang dami-daming technologies, ang dami-daming terms. Tapos, uy, napasa ko to. Mukhang alam ko nga Kasi medyo napasa ko di ba? Yung confidence, cool yan. Kasi it helps us parang act. Kung kapag mas confident ka, gagalaw ka mag-a-attempt ka ng mga stuff. Pag medyo low confidence, medyo mas reserved, di ba? So maganda yung feeling ko yung mataas natin yung confidence. Ayan. Ngayon, kung hindi tayo convinced, ayan may bag. Ito bag. Ayan. Hindi ko alam, hindi pa ako Ayan, tatanungin natin kung ano yung mga swags na na-receive ni na Sir Bill. Ayan, ito, gusto ko ng bag. Baka interesting din yan sa point of view. Wow, may bag ako. Or may swags yata. May swag program yata. But of course, physical things, ito yan, pwedeng nakawin. Pero syempre, yung mga nasa utak mo, yan yung mga hindi naman nanakaw. Yan. Diba? Yan yung cool din naman. Pero syempre, pampasaya ng buhay, meron tayong swags. Tanungin natin sila, ano ba yung swags na nakuha nyo, Aaron? Ano yung memorable na, uy, ganda na swag na to
Sa akin, ang pinaka-memorable yung recent na nakuha ko, yung sa cloud security. Kasi binigyan ako ng 3 swag in just one code. So yung cooler, bag, tsaka hoodie.
Eto si Sir Mil, parang nag-shopping na to May malaki na yung shopping. Pero ikaw, ano yung parang swag na memorable for you, Sir Mil?
Yeah, same as Aaron because I had the same swag, yung Eddie Bauer na cooler. Kasi siya yung pinakamalaking swag na binigay ni Google. So, para siyang Coleman, so you can use it. Pwede yung lagyan ng beer and ice and all.
Yeah. Wow, branded pala. Ano, Eddie Bauer? Parang
Eddie Bauer.
Outdoor brand.
Yeah, parang outdoor siya.
Tapos
nakakagulat siya, Sir Bry, kasi normally yung 'di ba pagka nag-receive ka, Sir Bill, ng swag from Google, dinideliver na sa bahay ng post office So yung last certification ko na for security, kinabahan ako. Kasi binigyan lang ako ng claim stub from post office. Kasi sobrang laki daw. Yung pala, niya. So medyo kinabahan ako kasi 'di ba, uso sa news yung mga magki-claim ka tas 'di ba? Ayun, yung pala ang daming laman. Kaya surprised.
Nice. Ano naman, pampasaya ng buhay, 'di ba? So, cool na rin naman, may konting pa-reward. So, 'yan. So, ayan, thank you sa feedback. So, sana ganahan yung mga our people from the audience and the community. Pero tulong-tulong tayo. Let's push this forward together. So, moving on, ano ba yan? Next topic natin is scope of cloud certifications. So, meron ditong, tanggalin natin yung mga sarili natin para makita natin yung slides. Yan. So, the role-based certifications are not just about Google Cloud Technologies. Napansin ko actually, may mga topics sila na general Pwede siya sa lahat ng cloud in general. They work with outside experts to get realistic view of the job role they are certifying for. The professional level certifications are for team members with cloud and GCP experience and who work on business requirements. So yan pag mapansin nyo, yung first box dito sa baba, business requirements. Yung associate level certification, yun lang yung tananggal, parang copy-paste lang yung technical requirements at saka yung customer implementation. So yung associate level certification, makikita natin mamaya, meron tayo yung ACE, Associate Cloud Engineer. Yun yung associate level. Pero pag professional level certification na, kailangan parang nadagdag itong first box sa baba, yung business requirements. Yan. So if you're working with certification, if you're wondering which certification to get, break it down this way. Individuals with more hands-on experience who design and implement solutions with business objectives in mind should pursue a professional level certification. Individuals who are new to cloud and new to GCP, baguhan tayo, we can get in the game with Associate Cloud Engineer. It's an excellent entry point to Google Cloud Technologies and is an attainable step to the path of professional level certification. Team members who work specifically on technical requirements should start with Associate Cloud Engineer. Yan. So parang yung keyword technical requirements, pwedeng Associate Cloud Engineer. Pero pag may business requirements na, yung mga professional level certification. Ayan. So meron tayong para lang sa mga naglalaro ng Pokemon, ayan, collect them all. Maraming mga bilog. So ano ba yung mga bilog na yan? Si Sir Mil, parang halos na kompleto na, isa na lang daw ang kulang niya. Yan. Pero naman, hindi naman to paramihan. You compete with yourself, you grow yourself, and of course, depends on your interest, di ba? Malawak to kasi may machine learning, may data engineer, may cloud architect, di ba? Teka, tanggalin natin yung sarili uli natin. Yan, may security engineer if you're parang lining up to more on the security part, 'di ba? So security professional ka. So yung specialization ng security engineer sounds good. So Google Cloud Certification validates your expertise and showcases your ability to transform businesses with Google Cloud technology. The associate level certification, yung associate, yung kulay blue, is focused on the fundamental skills of deploying, monitoring, and maintaining projects on Google Cloud. Yan. This certification is a good starting point for those new to cloud and can be used as a path to professional level certification. Professional certifications, yung mga kulay yellow, yung mga yellow na, medyo marami siya, span key technical job functions. Yun yung pinag-uusapan natin kanina. Pinaghiwa-hiwalay into functions and specializations. And assess advanced skills in design, implementation, management, and management. These certifications are recommended for individuals with industry experience and familiarity with Google Cloud products and solutions. Yan. Balik tayo. Parang parang totoo to di ba? Medyo mas hindi pwedeng mag-exam ka lang nang wala kang hands-on di ba? So siguro hingi tayo ng konting input.
Yes, Sir Bry. Bali, yung first certification ko for professional cloud architect in 2019, ang ginamit kong hands-on doon yung Quick Labs. So siguro 27 badges ata yung nakuha ko bago ako nag-exam. So talagang inano ko muna siya. Talagang nag-labs muna ako bago ko siya tinake. So that can be considered as hands-on na rin naman as experience.
Ayan. So, ikaw naman, Sir Mil, paano yung mga, yung ano ba yung first certification na kinuha mo, Sir Mil? Kinabahan ka ba?
The first one na nakuha ko, Sir Bray, would be the workspace. Kasi yun yung pinaka-close sa akin. So, tip ko na lang din, if you're looking into cloud certifications, always play with your strengths. Kasi maraming pagpipilian But so let's say if your current job network network engineer, it's more logical that you gone for the network engineer path. Hindi yung kung ano lang yung, let's say, madali or may free na voucher, yun yung ita-take mo. That's one of my pitfalls. So,
Ah.
kasi first certification ko is the workspace. But the first attempt ko ng certification exam is actually the data engineer. So,
Data
because I was the data engineer, I was preparing for the cloud architect for like half a year na. Then, nag-offer si Google ng pilot for the data engineer. So, but the problem was I only have 1 month to complete the materials or to prepare for it. So, yun yung naging parang first na problem ko. So, I failed that exam, but I learned from it kasi nakabisado ko yung format and all. And good learning experience siya kasi kung dun pa lang nag-stop na ako to continue my path in gaining the certifications, I won't have 10 certifications right now.
Yeah, never be afraid to fail. Kasi yung certification exam kasi is 50-50 eh. Pass or fail lang siya. So never be afraid. Kasi may 50% chance ka doon. Pagka hindi ka natakot ka na kagad doon sa certification, 100% failure yun. Mm.
Ayan. So thank you for teka lang. Nakamute yata ako. Ayun, thank you Sir Mil for may konting parang inputs and medyo vulnerability pinakita ni Sir Mil. Uy, may nag-fail. Nag-fail siya sa isang exam. Pero yung failure na yon, tignan mo naman si Sir Mil halos kompleto na. May realization siya sa failure, di ba? So, ang napansin ko rin naman dito sa parang medyo generous yung retake strategy or retake parang process ng na you can take it up to 3 times karaniwan. Parang kung nag-fail ka sa first one, you can retake it parang 2 weeks after. Tapos next medyo pahaba ng pahaba So yun. So, again, tama, failing, wag tayong matakot sa failure, go lang. We can prepare for it, of course. But if you fail, learn from it. So, medyo, naman, we're blessed to hear it from Sir Bill. Yung failure, naging success. Ngayon, todo, sobrang nasanay na siya. So, halos kompleto na niya yung mga certification. Sige, marami pala tayong kasama. Ayan, no? And we're here. Nakikita ko dito sa chat, mga good afternoon. Si Nikos, si Jazz, of course, andito. Shout out rin kay si Ruben Canlas Jr. Shout out kasi he's one of our co-founders of the yung community GDG Cloud. So, hi Ren, kina Maki. O yan, Sir Maki, marami rin tayong mga former speakers. So, at saka mga participants and community members here. So, if you have questions, please, post your questions. Ayan, true sir, 1 or 0. Tama, Journey Through Village 88. Ayun, medyo hindi ko kuha yung name. Meron din, andito rin si Ace Kenneth, Kimi, Anika. So thank you for joining in. Yan, shout out sa mga nag-tune in. Yan. So if you have questions, please feel free to andito na, chance na natin, no? Andito yung dalawa nating experts, sina Sir Mil and sina Aaron. Yan, papakita ko lang yung mga logo. Hindi ko na masyadong dadaanan, but I will post more information about these certifications. So kanina meron kanina yung blue, ayan Associate Cloud Engineer. Yung kulay blue, yan yung yung medyo focus sa technical aspects. Yung mga color yellow, specialization na. Yan. Pala. Kala ko kasi naka-skip slides to pero ayan na. Ayan. Professional Cloud Architect. Ayan. Sige, kung may questions kayo or baka may mga gusto nating habang pinapasadahan ko tong slides, tanungin natin si Sir Mil at saka si Aaron. Ano yung pinakamahirap para sa inyo na na exam? Yung parang wow, ano to parang yung natatakot ka i-submit yung uy, ano ba? Papasa ba ako dito?
For me siguro, sir, kasi ako nasa ako nag-join sa beta exam. Para sa akin yung network engineer na beta exam kasi I came from dev na background. So network really isn't my strength. So I have to sit through a network engineer exam na parang 4 hours long.
4
So
hours?
kasi normally ang beta exam ng Google Cloud certification is 4 hours long and it
Oh,
would have at least 100 items. So
oh.
nakakatakot siya na magkamali kasi thinking that you will have to sit through the same exam and probably spend additional 2 more hours.
Yeah. Cool. Yan, ito,
And sa akin naman,
okay.
Sir Bry, same with Sir Mil, network din. So yun yung
Network.
exam na talagang inubos ko yung oras ko nung nag-exam ako. Kasi normally yung ibang exams ko, 45 minutes may naiiwan pa eh. Doon talagang inubos ko siya. Kasi medyo difficult talaga yung exam.
Kumbaga wala ka ng oras para balikan at pasadahan uli. Yung mga madadaling exam niyo, di ba? Oy, dami ko pang oras, balikan ko pa, di ba? Pero to medyo nasagad yung oras mo.
Medyo, sir.
Well, teka, sige, daanan lang natin to. May konting contents pa. Yeah, feel free. May questions ba kayo? Yan, cloud security engineer. Ano yung pinaka-topics na pinaka-enjoy nyo? Or pinaka-malapit sa puso nyo? Yung mga favorite topic.
Yeah. For me, that would be 2 certifications or both the dev and the DevOps. Kasi ngayon yung 2 na certifications na actually ang laki ng overlap niya. Parang yung ibang content ng DevOps, siya na rin yung content ng Dev. And that, malapit siya sa puso ko because it's the thing that I do mostly day to day. So, creating ng pipelines, choosing where to deploy your applications. Ayan.
So yung nagre-reflect naman yung exam dun sa day-to-day na ginagawa mo. Malapit talaga siya. So sa practice.
Yeah.
Or medyo theoretical ba yung exam questions or mas malapit siya sa practice?
Mas malapit siya sa practice. Although may mga theory parts din. Yeah. But I like the parts na vine-verify niya na do you know how to create a pipeline? Do you know where to put your secrets?
Na hindi mo may questions na na parang masasagot mo pag may hands-on ka, di ba? Parang ganun.
Yes, that's correct.
Yan. Yan, ikaw naman, Aaron. Anong parang favorite mo na topic?
Ako, sir, network and security naman. Kasi yun naman yung linya ko. And yan. So, good siya. Napapractice ko yung day-to-day job ko.
Ang question ko naman sa'yo, Aaron, kasi security professional and alam ko may certification ka rin sa ibang cloud or security related. How does yung security exam na to parang sa difficulties in compared with other security related exams?
I would say siya, advance for yung Google Cloud Security Certification. Kasi if we were going to compare it with ISC certifications, no, medyo yung talagang extreme yung sa ISC eh. Dito kasi sa certification ng Google Cloud, it would talk about cloud tools on how to secure your environment. Yung other certifications like yung ISC, it's vendor agnostic siya. So it would talk about the terms and yung practices naman ng security.
Pero pag may ISC ka, madadalian ka ba ng konti dito sa specialization sa cloud? Or
Yes, sir.
kumbaga makakatulong, di ba? So,
Makakatulong siya. Kasi
so
yung risk about yung risk, yung disaster recovery, parang mas magiging madali na yung maintindihan yung cloud. Kasi once na mag-exam ka dun sa cloud security na na certification, more on tools naman or paano mo i-apply yung learnings mo about cybersecurity doon sa cloud.
ayan. May question dito. Asking for a friend from Ruben Canlas Jr. Asking for a friend. The exam needs to be done in a specific venue. Ayan. Actually, may slides din tayo ng konti dyan. So meron bang, alam ko dalawa eh. There are venues, pero there are, pwede rin yung remote eh. Sino ba yung naka-experience ng both? For me, may yeah. Sige, yeah.
If I may add, yeah. Kasi before the pandemic, exclusively on-site proctored si Google Cloud. During the gitna ng pandemic, doon minove na nila lahat sa remote. So just a tip, ang online proctoring is not for everyone. Specifically if you don't have a room dedicated for yourself that you can parang walang ibang tao doon for 2 straight hours. And also, kasi pag online proctoring ka, walang break na kahit ano. Wala ring piece of paper, just like Sir Maki raised. Kasi walang paper na ibibigay sa'yo, so the entire focus mo on screen 100% of the time. Ma-shift lang yung focus mo, like tumingin ka sa taas ng matagal, would stop the exam. So titingnan ka agad ng proctor, what's wrong, why you're shifting your focus somewhere else. Compared to sa mga on-site proctoring, ako sa Makati ako madalas dun sa may Antel. Doon ako madalas nag-schedule ng on-site. Nag-provide sila ng paper, sheet of paper where you can write on, pero ibabalik mo rin after ng exam. Then they also provide like a 5-minute break if you're taking a beta exam that lasts for 4 hours.
Wow. Yan. Ako naman, nag-exam ako sa Cebu. Meron diyang yung parang Subutel, medyo malapit sa Robinson's Galleria Cebu. Yan, may isa naka-experience ako doon. At saka dito rin sa Makati, yung sa Antel. Pero never ko pa na-experience yung mag-exam at home. Yan. Baka may na-experience mo ba yan, Aaron?
Yes, sir. Bali, sa experience ko, mas relax pag sa on-site ka mag-exam compared sa bahay. Kasi may isang instance na na kumati yung ilong ko during exam naka-remote ako So hindi ko siya makamot kasi baka bigla sabi may nagbibigay ako ng ng signal or something, tas yun yung maging cause ng failure. So hindi mo siya pwedeng gawin. Tapos ayun, minsan may bigla pang pumapasok, kumakatok sa kwarto habang nag-e-exam ka. So yun yung mga risk na na pwede mong ma-encounter if remote.
May inputs dito from Maki. Remote testing may requirements. Okay, you need to be alone in the room. Yan. You can, may remotely or in a test center. Yan, may sinagot na ni Maki. Na-discuss din natin. Sige, balik tayo ng konti sa slides para medyo we can move forward. Usually yung length is 2 hours. Pero yung may mga exams sila na yung beta exam is 4 hours. Para medyo kalahating haba yun Multiple choice and multiple select. Kamusta naman ang multiple choice and multiple select? Pag pag multiple select na, medyo parang challenge question to. Minsan nakakalito kasi yung mga multiple select. Parang tama lahat eh. So kailangan talagang alam mo eh. Yan. Anong experience sa multiple select tsaka multiple choice? Yung iba yung talagang syempre pag multiple choice, eliminate the wrong answer, di ba? Yan. Kayo may may inputs ba kayo sa multiple select, multiple choice?
Yeah. Sa multiple selector, normally ganun din yung ginagawa ko. Process of elimination. Pero ang mangyayari doon, minsan kasi may mga choices na parang one word lang yung difference, like and or. So you have to really read out, kailangan basahin mo talaga yung questions and the answers. So that's why yung multiple select, challenge talaga siya. Normally, ang multiple select is around ano naman eh, bibigyan ka ng 5 to 6 items, then you have to select 2. Ganun yung magiging ano niya. And normally, bine-present siya for questions na merong sequence. Like, let's say you have to do something, what are the two, you have to, let's say, create a VPC, ano yung 2 operations na kailangan mo. So, normally, sequential siya. Yun yung magiging key mo doon.
Yan. So, prerequisites, parang ano, no? Well, lahat ng exams na to, walang prerequisite. You can go straight to the exam. Kunwari, security professional, kung naghanda ka na, go lang. Walang prerequisite. Pwede kang dumiretso dun sa isang specialization. Tama ba? Kunwari, ngayon, you don't need to go through yung associate cloud engineer. Pwede kang dumiretso sa cloud architect. So, no prerequisite.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Sa lahat ng certification exams ni Google, walang prerequisites. But, as we've discussed earlier nga kami nung hindi pa nag-start yung stream, it's advisable that you go to through at least the CDL or kaya Associate Cloud Engineer if you're really new into cloud. Kasi taking those exams, yung mas hindi pa professional level, will help you build confidence para hindi ganong kabigat in case mag-fail ka doon sa professional.
Yan. Tapos dito sa slide sabi, recommended experience is 3+ years of industry experience, including 1 year designing and managing solutions with GCP. So yan. Pero yung experience naman, ang masaya dito, may tools si Google Cloud, like yung Cloud Skills Boost, yung dati tawag sa kanya is yung Quick Labs. So nagkakaroon tayo ng hands-on experience. Tapos magaganda yung ibang mga parang guide or mga hands-on exercises. Yan. Sige. Exam delivery method, na discuss na natin, pwedeng online, pwedeng proctored, ayan. So if you have other questions, I'll post the links dito online, proctored and remote. Ako gusto ko actually yung preferred ko yung may pinupuntahan kang center kasi nga medyo para at least na-eliminate yung ibang kung nasa bahay, di ba nga? Yung distractions, at saka mas strict sila. Yung question ko pala sa online proctor, so may real person behind na nanonood sa'yo. Kumbaga kasama mong naka-video call kayo, parang ganun ba yon?
Yes, sir. Or I'm not sure kung ganito. Kasi normally, nano-notify sila automatic, the person na nagbabantay sa'yo. So, there might be some machine learning involved because nade-detect nila yung loudness or, yung nag-shift yung focus mo. So, then, dun mati-trigger kasi mag-i-start yung chat once ma-trigger yung ma-interrupt yung exam mo. Dun mo pala makakausap yung or ma-chat yung bantay, yung proctor mo.
Okay. So yung bantay, hindi talaga nakakailang na, uy, may mata na nakaano sa'yo. Okay, I can see you. Maano lang pala.
Yeah,
Hindi siya yung parang may matang gano'n. Hindi naman. Okay.
Bali sir, yung just to add lang din, may pre-assessment kasi for the remote exam. So yun naman yung talagang, yun yung may tao na tumitingin. Kasi yung laptop mo, i-rotate mo siya sa room, papakita mo yung mga ceiling, yung table, papalayuin ka niya dun sa exam table mo, titignan niya yun. Tapos, yun, once na maklear ka na doon na papasok yung baka nga may AI or ML na nagti-trigger to notify those proctors.
So, yun. Importante rin aspect itong ano, yung remote na ano. Kasi kung malayo tayo sa ano, sa exam center, iilan lang ba yung exam center? So it's really an option. Etong online na ano na parang method, online or on-site, 'di ba? So yung online method, it's kung nasa baryo ka, so kailangan just set up ano. Okay, just to wrap it up, yeah, so again, thank you kay Sir Mil and Aaron for being here for the community. So, ito na yung exciting part. Certification study groups. We will set up certification study groups. It's a 6-week program to go through certification content and exam questions. So, yung goal natin, siguro yung focus for this study group is yung cloud architect. But we can set up din naman ng study groups for yung yung ACE, yung associate cloud engineer or digital leader. But for now, feeling ko for starters, maganda yung yung cloud architect kasi yung professional cloud architect, siya yung isa sa mga recognized sa industry. Yan, di ba? So, we'll have a mix of live sessions. We'll set up a chat environment or para makakapagtanungan tayo, makakapag-post tayo ng mga questions. And we'll set up a link, parang sign up form for those who really want to join this program. Kumbaga seryoso, parang sabi namin ni Jasmine, pengen kami ng resources. Pero sabi ni Google, piliin natin yung seryoso talaga. Kung seryoso tayo, sign up tayo, mabibigyan tayo ng access doon sa Cloud Skills Boost para andun yung content, andun yung exam, andun yung parang courses and hands-on labs. Yan. So, next. China. Nawala yung na-mute. Ayan, yung free voucher na kasama, may tanong si Cyberpow. Aalamin ko pa, manghihingi pa lang tayo. Magsa-set up tayo ng sign up or interest form. Tapos kukuha tayo ng usually mabibigyan dapat tayo, not sure kung voucher yung bibigay or subscription. So we'll get more details later. So yung on-demand yun nga, may on-demand content tayo, may hands-on lab tayo, tapos of course yung community, marami rin naman certified sa community. So opportunity to engage them, to ask them, and of course kapag parang na-master ko na isang topic, feel free to contribute din. So tulong-tulong tayo dito sa community. Ayan. So sige. May silipin ko lang yung questions, yung ating chat. Cyberpow, subscription lang, walang exam voucher. Ang question yung exam voucher. Okay. So, malay mo, makahingi tayo ng discount. So, pero, no promises, pero tanongin natin. Wrap up lang tayo. So, do you have mga pahabol na questions or for Sir Mil and Aaron? Yan. Alam ko naka-hide tong ayan. So, testimonial guest, siguro hingi lang tayo ng final words and tips or anything about certifications from Sir Mil muna.
Yeah, so when it comes to the certifications, make sure to make use yung mga provided or yung mga available natin ng materials. So it could be quick labs. You can even set up a trial account. You can make use of plural site then or the documentation. Yeah. Tapos, when it comes to taking the exam, make sure you're physiologically sound or hindi ka gutom, hindi ka puyat, you're not sick, because that would affect your thinking. And ito lang din, one of the most parang ina-advise ko, lalo sa mga colleagues ko, book in advance. Always book in advance because una, let's say pag mga December, nauubos yung slot. And also, by booking in advance, you're setting a deadline for yourself. Kasi pag hindi ka nag-set ng deadline, normally, you would have to push it. So just like dun sa isang sikat na TED Talk ni Tim Urban, yung in the mind of a procrastinator, kasi pag hindi siya required ng company, like let's say it's just your personal goal, and wala kang deadline, you will keep on iuusog mo na iuusog yan until yung pag missed opportunity na siya, magiging source siya ng regret mo. So book it, then i-move mo lang siya kung talagang hindi mo kaya i-take. But you booking it gives you a deadline and mapupush ka talaga na mag-exam.
Wow, thank you sa mga tips at saka yan. And ngayon, hingi naman tayo ng final words, tips, encouragement, or anything, any input about certification from Aaron.
Ayun. So, studying for the exam, two things. Dapat determined ka, dapat disciplined ka. Kasi when you're studying for the exam, basically ang daming dyan distractions, lalo na pag boring yung topic na inaaral mo. So para kang tinatawag ng social media niyan. Oy, check mo yung Facebook mo, check mo yung TikTok or something like that. Now, kaya kailangan determined ka, kailangan focused ka, kailangan disciplined ka para ma-achieve mo yung goal mo for the certification. Now, on the certification day, dapat prepared yung mind mo. Sabi, as mentioned by Sir Mil, kasi during the exam, yung mga may times na based on my personal experience, may times na akala ko magfe-fail na ako eh. Pero dapat hindi ka bibigay doon sa thinking na 'yon. Just prepare your mind na ang goal mo lang or ang option mo lang is to pass. Kasi pagka pag nag-sink in na ay babagsak na ako. 25 questions pa lang naman yung nasagutan mo. Tapos ganoon na kagad yung feeling mo. Yung other 25 or the remaining questions, parang magtutuloy-tuloy na siya. And that will cause your failure. So, yun lang, sir. Thank you.
Ayun. Wow. Wala na Sir Brian lang. So,
Hi, Brian.
Ano mga tips, no? So, hindi lang talaga no? Parang preparing for the content. Parang yung discipline of the mind din, no? Yung natuwa rin ako dyan sa yung hindi ka puyat, hindi ka antok. Actually, nung nag-take ako nung ACE, medyo antok ako eh. So sabi ko, talagang parang bumagal talaga yung pagbabasa ko ng mga exam questions. Totoo yan, may effect talaga yung physical at saka yung mental preparation. So with that, I guess, do we have may questions? Kung may questions pa sa community, let's keep on discussing. Please post your questions dun sa Facebook group natin or dun sa Discord group. And we're happy to engage and answer these questions. So with that, I'd like to thank again Sir Mil and Aaron for spending your afternoon with us, and to all our viewers for tuning in this afternoon. So if you let's keep the conversation going. If there are any questions, we can answer and discuss offline. So with that, good afternoon and thank you everybody. Let's get certified this year. Let's make 2023 count. Hopefully GCP certification can be part of that parang career growth strategy for our community. So thank you, and have a good afternoon. And broadcast. Click and broadcast. Tagal. And broadcast.